Hey, Sean Callagy, I'm Blinded here, seeing what you don't see with the fun and excitement of exponentially growing your sales and crushing fear and distortion. It's about seeing what you don't see on Blinded. First of all, quick note, Joan Greco, fantastic job creating a meeting for the Lions today. Brilliant insights that you created. Thanks to everybody in the Lions that was on that call. Amazing access, so thank you for that. Second, about what we don't see. It's interesting. I say New Jersey, you say one word. I say New Jersey, you say a second word. Words I would think some of you would say would be like congestion, like dirty, overcrowded, some of the words. So, Mona, quickly.
Okay, I want to show them.
Yes, I want to say one word. I say New Jersey. What's the one word you now say from today?
Can you guys see the ocean over there?
I say New Jersey, you say one word. What is the word?
I say dolphins.
Yes, because there are dolphins in New Jersey, and it's not abnormal. So Mona's like, oh my God, there are dolphins. I'm like, yeah, it's New Jersey. It's like what we do here. She came back from Mexico. Did you see dolphins in Mexico?
No, I didn't.
I didn't see dolphins in Mexico, but here I see dolphins.
So guys, I was sitting on the water over there. I was on
Do I have you or am I filming you or me?
You're filming me, I think.
Good.
Right, guys? I was sitting over there by the ocean and I was on a call and I looked ahead and I couldn't believe it. There was like 25 dolphins. And they were going from left all the way to the right. And they were just swimming. And they were jumping super high in New Jersey.
Yeah, that's what we do here. The most misunderstood state in the country. And how beautiful and clean are the beaches. How beautiful and clean are the beaches here.
I'm still completely floored. I mean, Sean told me he's seen dolphin here before. Now he's saying that he told me he sees them like once every second day.
Level 1 listening. Level 1 listening.
Okay. But I've been here many times and I've never seen them before. And now I just saw like 25 of them.
Yes.
Oh my God.
And had we had the kayak, could have jumped in the kayak and went and like hung out with the dolphins because we've done that here before. So why do I bring this up? First of all, it's fun and cool, and we're trying to bring in like fun at some challenging times and hope everybody's doing okay out there and just share beautiful moments. And it's also because so often there's like magic in front of us, and I do it too. We go halfway around the world and go here, go there, just in little Long Beach Island, New Jersey. As we look at these magical spots and moments, we have some of the best body surfing, some of the best, I guess, Scott Martin, surfer. What's up, Scott? If you're out there, brother. Some really fantastic wave break that exists here. Pristine beaches. There's moments we can see our feet like from neck deep in the water. It's just a beautiful place, and there's many beautiful places, and so often we create these stories, right? And these images, we have to go somewhere else or find something else far away, and when magic is right here in front of us. So here's to magic right in front of you, no matter where you are and what's happening. And you may go right now, well, we don't have dolphins. Well, you know what? I had some magic on some calls today. I learned brilliant breakthroughs, connected with some incredible people. This morning's huddle was off the hook. Thank you, Deborah Gaylord. Crushed it out there. And I want to acknowledge Jared for everything that he's doing in the process mastery department. It's been sick and insane. Fernando's going to be doing a video about how a few months ago, I'm like, you know what? We're going to do huddles. Let's start doing huddles. Because he just said it to me on the call. He's like, let's do huddles. He's like, what's a huddle? I'm like, we're doing a huddle. And then we have like 2 people on. And now we're having 200 plus people on. And it's only rocketing and growing for us to connect and accelerate. And of course, we are nowhere without Adam Gugino, because Adam is just a sick, straight up rock star.
And I just saw that the neighbors have a jacuzzi on their rooftop.
Yes. Yes, because it's not, you don't have to go to Vegas for that. You can be in Long Beach Island, New Jersey. What's happening? So listen, we're going to be back. It's an amazing day. Where's your 25 dolphin magic? Even if it's in giving love from your heart to somebody. And we're all blind.
Learning to see. Bye, guys.